Hello, welcome to Ben and Josh's channel, and today we'll be talking about
Solving logarithmic equations.
So today we'll be doing 4 equations, 2 for me, 2 for him. But first, what is logarithms?
Logarithm is another way to write an exponent and is defined by y equals log base x if and only if b raised to the power of y is equals to x.
Right, so let's begin. Today, I will be showing you how to solve logarithmic equations. So, log base n raised to the power of a. In order for you to write that, you should read it as it is, which is b raised to the power of a is equal to n. Right, so let's put it into practice. Log base 5 x raised to the power of 4. Right, so we know that in order to answer this, we have to read it as it is, right? So, 5 raised to 4 is equal to x. Now we all know that 5 raised to 4 is equal to 625. So that means the answer is 625.
Before we go to the second part of the video, I'll be showing you an icebreaker where you have to spot the panda.
Did you see the panda? I bet you can see it. It's over there. Almost there. Just a little bit closer. Uh-huh. Yep. He's there. There he is. There's the panda. Out of all these characters, there's the panda.
Welcome back. Did you enjoy that icebreaker? I hope you did. For our third example, I'll be showing you addition of logarithmic equations. So I have here since we have log base 4 all at the same side, we have to cancel those out. We'll be left with x plus 4 and then 3 equals to 27. Combine like terms. So, before that, you have to distribute. So it'll be 3x plus 12. And then combine like terms. 27 minus 12 and 3x will still be there. And then that'll be 15. 27 minus 12 is equals to 15. 3x divided by 3, cancel those, and then this will remain as x is equals to 5. So x is equals to 5.
So that's it for today, and I hope you learned something from it.
Thanks for watching. Bye!